Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 169 Courtland Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo located in this gorgeous condo complex, nice and private. As you can see, you got 2 off-street parking spots with this, in-unit laundry, and much more. Basically renovated all throughout too, so that's a huge boom. So we'll head on inside and check it out. Welcome. So upon entering through your front door, you're greeted by your living space / kitchen area. So the living space, as you can see, houses a brand new carpet flooring. It follows up the stairs. The stairs have brand new carpets, and both the bedrooms have a brand new carpet flooring. Same exact thing. And pretty spacious in here. You got a lot of outlets, a lot of wide open windows, letting in lots of sunshine into this room. And it's perfect again as a living space. You got plenty of space for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. Got a nice set of bay windows right there to give you great street views. And again, lots of sunshine. There's your front entryway into the condo. And it does house the half bathroom, which we'll look at in a second. Basically a nice, perfect open space for a multitude of items. So flipping around, checking out the kitchen side. Got a brand new laminate wood flooring in here. Again, brand new, just put in. You also got some brand new porch doors, the glass sliding doors that lead to a small little porch that you got in the back. Perfect for a lawn chair, but these are brand new. And further into the kitchen, you got some wide open countertops, a couple of outlets aligning the walls for kitchen plug-ins, plenty of kitchen cabinets, as you can see, all around, so kitchen storage should be no problem. And you got a brand new dishwasher down in the bottom right, the single bin stainless steel sink, 4-burner gas stove and oven, and the medium-sized refrigerator tucked in the corner. Not only that, you also got a small pantry closet right here for even more kitchen storage. Wonderful. So that is your kitchen space and living area, basically the first floor. Real quick, we'll check out the rest. You got the half bathroom, again housed in your living space. It's got a tile flooring, as you can see, and a wide open sink area, cabinets underneath, and the small mirror vanity up above. Perfect. Not only that, you also have a private basement with this condo as well. Check that out real quick. It's perfect for storage and does house the in-unit laundry. And there are a newer washer and dryer too, so that's huge. Yeah, just a nice open basement. Again, perfect for plenty of storage. And it's got the in-unit laundry, so that is huge. Very cool. All right, back upstairs, we'll go ahead now and check out the second floor. Just give you a nice one more shot of the living space that you got. All right. So again, brand new carpets as you go along the stairwell. And it is in the main hallway upstairs and in the 2 bedrooms. So we'll check out the bedroom. As you go up the stairs, it's the first bedroom we'll look at. And both bedrooms have a pretty wide open layout. Again, fresh paint, new carpet flooring, wide open windows. Recommended bed sizes for these bedrooms. You could stick with the standard, the full size, but I do also think that a queen size bed set should be able to work in both these bedrooms. So, probably standard full or queen is my recommendation. And this bedroom actually has 2 separate closet spaces, so you also got a lot of storage in this bedroom too. Very nice. So that's the first bedroom. Across the hallway is the second bedroom. Again, brand new carpets, fresh paint, perfect for up to a queen size bed set. Basically both bedrooms are identical in their features. The only thing I would say is a difference is this bedroom just has 1 closet space. But regardless, you again have plenty of storage with that private basement, so really shouldn't be that much of a hindrance. Alright, last but not least is the full bathroom upstairs. So tile flooring once again, you got a full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. And you got a nice wide open sink area and the large mirror vanity up above. Very nice. Alright, so once again, this is 169 Courtland Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. So, You can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.